Everybody, this is Pat within the paper closet. I'm back on today doing another video. I'm going to show you a preview of what I'm going to be making in a series of tutorials that will teach you how to make one of these planners, such as I've had on my Zibbit shop. This is the second one I'm showing. Okay, so this is the cover. It's a 5x7 planner, laminated cover. It'll hold 4 inserts and a folder and a few little extra things. This one has black elastics. I'll be showing you how to put on the elastics. We've already shown how to make the charms out of cardstock layers. We'll be showing you how to make the pen holder. And these are the inserts I've made. Now these, I can't exactly show you how to make them. I can give you an idea. This I created in one of my graphics programs. So it's made to fit 5 by 10, I believe. Yes. No, I'm sorry. 5 by... made to cut at 7 inches high by 10 inches wide. That's what it is. See, this would be a full page. So I've put in, this one holds 13 months, undated. You fill in the dates whenever you want to start it. This one is weekly plans, same idea. It's 7 inches high, 10 inches wide. And this holds 27 weeks, I believe, is in here. So that's a half a year. The next is the folder I was talking about. You have 2 pockets here in which to insert photos or papers or whatever you want to keep in there. Stickers. Next insert is plain paper. And it's all done. I printed everything on this linen paper that I've shown you before. I think right there you can really see the texture of the paper. It's a very nice paper. It's rather thick. It's 24 pound. It's actually a stationery. So it's linen. That has 20 pages. So you would print 10 sheets. Not even print. This is not printed. Sorry. This one is notes. These are printed. So you would print 10 sheets of this. It would also be 10 inches wide. 7 inches high, printed double-sided, and then you fold it in half and you cut it. Now you would have to figure that out on your graphic program or whatever program you could create lines and different papers. And here's the back. I will also be showing you how to make page marker, which I've laminated. Sometimes I put a pocket on them, sometimes not. I'll show you that in another video. And here is a mini page marker, I call this. This I've made on my silhouette. Now you can make these and just cut them out by hand. And I laminated them. And that just slips over the top of the page to mark your mark. Also be showing you how to put in the elastics. There are 4 elastics in this book. We also have the plastic pockets that I've shown in another video previously. And that's about it. The charms. So it's a 5x7. It has a 1-inch spine. And that'll be it. So stay tuned. I'll be starting these videos shortly on how to make your own. Or you can just go to my Zibbit shop. I'll be putting this one up on my Zibbit shop. Okay, thank you. I'll be seeing you soon.